a 6-year-old in Ilocos is learning the traditional craft of hand loom weaving, spending time at the loom after school. Mobile journalist Daniel Daya with the story.
At just 6 years old, a child from Ilocos learns hand loom weaving, drawing admirations while raising some concerns online. In the video, Honey practices weaving tradition. As she learns the craft, questions arise on how young learners are introduced to traditional practices.
Hindi naman po pinipilit. Talagang interesado lang po siya sa para matuto po dito sa pag-aabel. Parang ginagawa lang po niya na libangan po. Pag may time na uuwi galing school po, inuupuan niya po. Minutes lang po, ganun po. Nag-enjoy naman.
According to her guardian, Honey weaves out of interest, spending short moments at the loom after school. But as she continues to learn, experts highlight the importance of safeguarding child welfare.
Mahalaga yan kasi lagi nating sinasabi that we should promote and protect the rights of the child. Locally, we also have national laws and policies. We also have Republic Act 9231 or the act providing for the elimination of the worst form of child labor and affording stronger protection for the working child.
Meanwhile, owner of the shop clarifies Honey is not employed, but simply learning the craft.
Hindi siya considered na part-time, ma'am, kasi parang libangan lang naman. Natututo lang siya. Siyempre, pag nakarami, di kahit paano, pambili ng mga merienda lang niya, gano'n. Doon sa sister niya kasi, yun yung parang guardian niya. Sa kanya kasi yun, parang pag may mga time lang, umuupo siya para nagiging libangan lang niya eh. Yung siyempre bata, sinasabihan pa rin na huwag kasi pag nasira nga naman, ayusin. Pero marunong naman.
And for Ilocano weavers, weaving remains a key part of both livelihood and culture.
Mahalaga siguro, ma'am, in the sense na bata pa lang is parang natututo na sila para kahit paano, ma'am, in the future hindi yun mamamatay yung weaving industry dito sa Ilocos. Yung weaving kasi create jobs eh. So hindi lang yung nakabili ka ng gawang Pinoy, kundi nakatulong ka din sa mga tao behind the finished products.
In the end, experts remind while traditions live on, the best interest of the child must always come first.
So basta ang mahalaga doon is that yung ginagawa niya is for a limited period only and that it does not run in conflict with her school activities, with her leisure time, and of course, with her time of rest. Kasi parang nakikita ko naman that, di ba, tinuturuan siya so that the culture, the practice of loom weaving will be passed on to her generation, which is actually a good practice. Kasi naipagpapatuloy yung indigenous practice noong kanya pong community. And that helps in the overall development of the child.
Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.